Now let's introduce the basic text input. 3 functions are going to be used in this project. ASC2 code input, text variable, and the basic keyboard. First, we will select the ASC2 input and select the area. We shall select a memory address to write the value in. Let's set it as 0200 and select the keyboard on page 52. And then we will add a text variable to display the letter we input. Simply drag the area, then just set the memory value as same as ASC2 input. Customize the display font, and all set is finished.